In this video, I unboxed the brand new Pioneer DDJ FLX6 and check it out. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Deck Transmission. If you haven't heard, I'm a Twitch partner now. And we stream Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, 1 PM till 5 PM in the UK. And as part of that, we have live streams with about A&R sessions. We have demo feedback sessions. We chat about social media. We talk about strategy for artists. We talk about getting music signed. We talk about Spotify. All the stuff I've been doing on this channel for a long time, we now do on Twitch as well in a live format, which is great fun. Today on YouTube, though, we're going to do an unboxing. I've been sent the brand new Pioneer DDJ FLX6. So let's get this box open and see what's inside, shall we? Let's go for it. Right, so this is the brand new, this is the FLX6. So let's check this open. I can see what's inside. Okay, it's a lot of polystyrene. We've got a thing on Beatport Link. Now this basically connects to Record Box and Serato, so it's got loads of options. And it says it's got the same size platters as their CDJ flagship CDJ 3000, which is amazing. Got some polystyrene as per. Now these have been out for a while. I got sent this just as we were going into the first lockdown, and then the world went crazy, and I just haven't had the space in the week to kind of go through it. So it's taking some time now to do it. So here it is. Here it is. Whoa, let's take this out of the way. This couldn't be harder, by the way. Here it is. Here's a brand new FLX6. Looks quite cool. So yeah, the platters are massive. We are going to switch to this cam over here. So we're switching to this cam. So as you can see, it's got two platters, but it's also 4 decks. And you'll switch the deck here, switch deck 3, deck 4 here. These are the same size as the CDJ. Usual standard for a controller. We've got mixer, 2 decks, 4 channels, filters as per on a DJM. Usual lows, mids, highs, and trims. Also on this DDJ FLX6, we've got this massive merge effects button, which allows you to have different effects. You can assign 4 different effects and merge them to give like ultimate, like mad stuff you can do during the mix. Let's play the video of their little preview and show you what they can do. They look pretty sick. This is the little video. Let's watch this again. Cool, so you just watched that video. You got a bit more knowledge on what it does. It's really built well, like it's really solid. These are all nice. These are nice faders, nice quality. These buttons are nice. These are really nice. And it just connects to the computer using Serato or Rekordbox. Standard in and out, jog, cutters. Yeah, it looks really cool. Really effects there. And that's the Pioneer FLX6. Unboxed. It looks really good fun. We're going to play with it. And maybe do a live stream at some point. Thanks, Pioneer, for sending it. This is the Pioneer 4-deck controller. Massive platters. These are really massive and they're really well built. I love this. Big giant hands. I love this. On the back, it's just got master, normal master and booth out. And it's got a mic and obviously the USB to the computer. I hope you enjoyed this quick run through and unboxing of the Pioneer DJI FLX6. The links are all below. Go and find out more information. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.